Women in 3D Printing is a global organization
dedicated to promoting, supporting, and inspiring women
who are using additive manufacturing technologies.
Our mission is to increase the visibility of women in the additive manufacturing industry
and encourage more women to use 3D printing technologies.
My name is Nora Toure, and I'm the founder of Women in 3D Printing.
My name is Christina Perla, and I'm the co-founder and CEO of MakeLab.
My name is Dana McCallum. I'm the head of production partnerships at Carbon, and I'm on the board of Women in 3D Printing.
I'm Kristen Mulheron. I'm the founder and president of AMCube.
I'm Sarah Gerke. I'm an editor and journalist in the 3D printing industry, the founder of Additive Integrity LLC, an editorial services company dedicated to serving the 3D printing industry. And through this, I'm the managing editor of Fabaloo.
It's truly exciting to be a part of something that can contribute to the advancement of an entire industry in such a meaningful way.
The mission of Women in 3D Printing is to identify all of the amazing women who are helping to contribute to our industry and bring them together and highlight their successes.
I truly believe that the essence of our purpose is to gather. When we gather, that's when the magic happens. When we gather, we promote each other, we support each other, and we inspire each other, and we highlight each other.
The more we all collaborate, the stronger the industry is. And I think it's important to see that this industry doesn't look the same. We're all here, we're proud, and I love that we can get together.
Our goal is to encourage more women to join this industry so that we can finally call it a truly gender-balanced space. So how do we do this? We do this by featuring the female leaders who are shaping our industry on a daily basis.
I'm excited to be on the board for Women in 3D Printing to help bring all the women in the industry together.
Is that diversity only facilitates innovation, and in a fast-moving industry like 3D printing, the speed of innovation is critical.
I'm excited to be part of the board of directors of Women in 3D Printing because I really value the opportunity to help get the message of diversity in additive manufacturing across.
You have an amazing group of trailblazer women in this industry, and for an organization to gather all of that energy in one platform, in one organization, it's amazing to be a part of, and it's really amazing to have an impact on the direction of where this organization goes.
This is my dream team. I couldn't be more excited to work with all these women. They all bring a very unique skill set to the organization. I am very proud about everything we've accomplished so far and everything that is yet to come that we will accomplish together.